Everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about rain gear. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's the perfect time. Just click that red subscribe button down there, and then when it turns gray, ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video and you don't miss out on some important information. Also, if you have any friends, relatives, co-workers, neighbors, and they might be interested in this type of stuff, go ahead and there's a share button down here. Click share and you can share it out on social media. Or you can just copy the URL up here and email them the link directly for this video. Rain gear. Oh, but I got a bunch of rain gear. I got a bunch of those little packet ones, and if I have an emergency, I can use one. I'm not talking about emergencies per se. I'm talking about general use. I've used some of those little packet ones, and sometimes they last an hour or two, especially if you're working, they may last 15 minutes. You want something heavy duty that can take abuse of being worked in when you're out there in the pouring down rain, and it'll keep you dry and warm and keep you from catching a cold. You know, it's nice heavy duty rain slickers that come with either the jacket and or the pants, or the big long ones that come down to your knees. There are a very variable amount of different ones that you can look at to see what will work best for you. But why am I telling you about this now in August? Simple. Because you need to get your gear, check it out, make sure you have the right gear that's going to last you through the winter. Also, umbrellas. How many had your umbrellas last year? Did they get put away absolutely dry, or were they slightly damp when you folded them up and put them away? They could be growing mold. You need to check them out and make sure they're still functioning, make sure they open properly, stay open, and are still working. I know inevitably we have an umbrella, at least one in the family, by the end of the winter season has folded backwards, and it's got to get thrown away. And usually someone just folds it up and sticks it in the closet and forgets to tell us, oh, that's one's shot, we need to replace it. So get out there, check all your umbrellas, your rain gear, everything you need to know that you have for the rain. Get everything set up so you're ready for the winter. All right. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Don't do anything foolish. Stay safe. Do everything nice and safe. And stay prepared. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.